Yeah, I hope you can hear me. Look, so here's a question. Cavitation. What are we seeing here? So this is a stream fairly high on a mountain, on a hill. It's going to be clean. The force that's holding that those bubbles together, those big bubbles, has come from just upstream. Here we go. Yeah, there's cavitation forming there. Look, small bubbles from the force of falling with gravity is creating bubbles. Those bubbles are rushing down the stream, and they're sort of vanishing here. This here we've got, looks like we've got change of flow. We've got laminar flow here, so that no bubbles, no cavitation in the laminar flow. And then we come over here, we've got a balance of where we're seeing, we're seeing the laminar flow on the surface of the bubble, and the turbulent flow in the eddy, in this little pool that's formed here, just in that stick. And so the bubble, there, get one just popped, look. So what was the energy that was sustaining it, these bubbles, these big ones here? It must be the energy of the motion from upstream. There's nothing else to sustain them. And that head is maintained all the time. And so the head of water that you're seeing from the rapids just upstream is being expressed there in these big bubbles. You get it? The potential difference. The little bubbles have gathered. They've come through the laminar flow section, critical, where they must have passed through critical flow to break up the bubbles into tiny energy particles, and now they're reassembled in the surface for some reason down here. Yeah? And it's because the energy must exist, the energy must do work. So in that eddy, it's the easiest route out is for the cavitation to be in the surface. Because the surface itself is in motion, that's just swirling slowly around, replicating the disk at the equator of the time particle at the centre of the planet. They just gather there, the energy gathers. Can you see it? And it's a beautiful just dance of the potential head of water. And inside those bubbles, you can draw the sacred geometry. Yeah, using my Scared Geometry textbook I'm doing, fit that figure in there and see that it's orthogonal. That the equator disk acts orthogonally standing up because of the mass difference. Yeah, that's the cross. There you go. Observations in nature. See you later.